Hey there, Jason Loucks here. Listen, if you want to take your real estate investing to the next level and you need the funding and the proof of funds to do it, then you'll be glad to know I've created a brand new DVD called The Private Money Machine. See, taking your business to the next level and doing more deals faster for bigger profits is easier now than it's ever been in the history of this business. But as you might imagine, there's more to it than meets the eye. See, most people think you need big down payments, great credit, tons of money in the bank, and you need the income to back it all up. They think you need to kiss up to banks or hard money lenders or give a big chunk of your profits to money partners or the like, but nothing could be further from the truth. See, it used to be that way. But nowadays, finding local lenders in your area who want to put up the money for your deals is easier than ever before. The good news is these lenders lend based on the property, not the borrower. So your income, assets, and credit score don't matter. And the best part of that is these secret lenders are in every city, every county, every state, and they want you to contact them so that they can put up the money for your deals. So if you need to know how to get funding and proof of funds for your deals, if you want to know how to do more deals faster for bigger profits, then you'll be glad to know I've created a complete training on DVD called The Private Money Machine, and I'd like to send it to you absolutely free. On this training, you'll learn how to find those secret lenders in your local area, what to say to them to get them to know you, like you, and trust you, and lend you money, and how to use that money to do more deals faster for bigger profits than ever before. The DVD is free. All I ask is that you cover the shipping and handling anywhere in the country of just $4.77. And remember, with that shipping and handling, and when you order that DVD, I'll also give you the online streaming version that you can watch instantly. So click the button below, click the link below, visit my website, request your free DVD, and I'll have it on its way to you instantly, and you can watch the online streaming download instantly as well. So in the next hour and a half, you'll know exactly how to find these local lenders, how to use their funds and proof of funds to find and do more deals, and how to make more money per deal in your business and take your business to the next level. So thanks very much. That DVD is yours free with my compliments. Again, all I ask is that you pay the shipping and handling for me to send it to you, and you get it physical copy and streaming download. You can access immediately, and it's yours with my compliments. It's my way of putting my best foot forward and hoping that we have a long and beautiful friendship. So if you like that, check it out. Go ahead and click the button below, click the link below. My name is Jason Loucks, and as always, until next time, take it easy.